Let's give a cheer to someone, shall we? How about Marcus Denmon, Kennesaw, Mizzou? Did you watch any college ball last night?
No, I haven't. But the Real Housewives, I'm sick of those shows. Because they're so full of themselves. It's not even real anymore.
What are you talking? You know what's sad?
Especially Beverly Hills.
I could do an hour show on just those shows alone.
Could you? I'd watch
Or a 12-hour show. Anywho, that was Denmon. 2 cheers for Julio Jones. Okay, Jaguars, Falcons. Matt Ryan passing it to Jones. Up the middle. Yeah, dude, this guy, when he wants to, he'll just outrun defenders.
The thing about Jones is he was hurt a lot at Alabama, just sort of dinged up. He didn't really think he was injured. And this second half of the season, he has been huge for them.
Right there, it looks like he's just going to truck through anything that gets in his way.
That would be illegal.
3. And
Can't drive a truck on the field.
from Matt Cressy. We'll go back to Kennesaw, Mizzou. Kim English with the steal gets it to Prezi. That's a one-handed dog.
You know what I think we learned today on the show is that last night was a light game slate because we got 2 Kennesaw Mizzou highlights in
That's
there.
right. And you and I think, both watched Real Housewives of Beverly Hills.
Well, on DVR.
Right.
You traveling.
Right, Russillo. I'm going to need you to take a couple shame